Woohoo! It's time for lesson 2. So since we're studying ecology, I've decided to step outside and let's look at some ecology. I'm now videoing the video, which would be number 7 here for our lesson 2 to explain what we're going to do with our Ed puzzle, Wolves of Yellowstone, and number 9, which will be the handout that you're going to do. So let's look at what's going to happen. So here's the 3 things that we want to focus on as we're watching this video. We want to look at how do abiotic and biotic factors in an ecosystem depend on each other. So we'll look for those things depending on each other in the video. Also, how do abiotic and biotic factors in an ecosystem compete with each other? So let's look for competition. And then the third thing is, what are the potential impacts to an ecosystem if one particular species suddenly disappears? So as we're going through this, whenever you're in your list here, you're going to click on the Ed Puzzle video and you've got some instructions. This time I've actually embedded it in Ed Puzzle so we don't have issues with people being able to see it, and you're going to answer questions in the Ed puzzle while it's playing, and then it will be finished. After you're done with that, you're going to come to lesson number 9. And lesson number 9 tells you to open this worksheet. And again, you're not using pencil and pen. You're going to be typing your answers in the worksheet. So let's look at what that table looks like for the worksheet here. You are going to, while you watch it, come up with 5 different interactions of biotic and biotic factors, or either biotic and abiotic factors. And then you're going to tell me, are those interactions a dependent interaction between the two or a competition interaction between the two? So for example, maybe my factor A would be an otter, so I'd write otter here and put biotic. And maybe the other factor would be the river, and the river would be abiotic. And that would be a dependent interaction because the otter depends on the river to be able to build a dam and to live and have a habitat. So you would come up with 5 other ones to complete here. Now, once you are finished, remember, when you have this worksheet open, you are going to actually, in the top right-hand corner, it looks a little different for you. For me, it says share, but up in the top right corner over here, you're going to have a turn in. That turn in simply attaches it to the assignment. You haven't turned it in yet. Remember, you've got to come back over here, and this was number 9 that you were working on, and you are going to view assignment. And when you click view assignment here, you're going to have the other turn in option. It's going to have that worksheet attached, and then you can turn it in. So I hope you guys are all being safe. I'm sitting out here. You can probably hear my kids. They're mowing the yard and blowing off all these squiggly things from the pollen from the oak trees. Hope you guys are staying safe, and I miss you.